Hi children. So in previous class we learnt about different types of rocks, right? In that we completed igneous rocks, basalt, granite and pumice. All these are called as igneous rocks. Now the second type of rocks, they are called sedimentary rocks. What they are called? Sedimentary rocks. Okay. So here sedimentary rocks, the name itself indicating sediment. What is meant by sediment? Sedimentation means getting down. Sedimentation is nothing but moving down or settling down, getting down, नीचे आना, right? So यहाँ sedimentary rock, जो rock फॉर्म हुआ है वो कैसे फॉर्म हुआ है? जो minerals, hill slope or hill region, for example, if is there any rainfall, along with the running water, the minerals and salts, they carried away, they vanish, soil erosion we call, right? Now these particles, they get carried by the running stream of water, so that all the minerals they carry along with the water, and these minerals they get deposited somewhere in the land, right? On the surface of the soil somewhere it get deposited, and after that these sediments are nothing but the minerals which are run away from the what you call hill region, right? So they are going to form a rock by cementing themselves, by cementing themselves. Cementing का मतलब क्या है? जो कुछ भी minerals और salts तरीके means sedimentary rock is nothing but multiple rock, means it contain many rocks, many types of rocks, many minerals they are present in this rock. So different types of minerals and rocks they carried away by the running water, and so that what happens here, the everything it get like that the sedimentary rocks are formed. Here sedimentary rocks doesn't formed by the minerals and soil particles only, even it includes animals, remains of plants that stuck together, right? So even sometimes the rock is for example, this is the dead body of animal or plant. Around it, if the soil particles and minerals get deposited and they cemented together, then it become the rock. So this kind of rock is called sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. So here sedimentary rock is formed by running off of minerals and soil particles, they cementing together along with the sometimes along with some dead bodies of the plants and animals, which in the future it forms the fossil, right? Fossil, do you know fossil? Fossil is nothing but that we are getting impression of the animal on the rock. जो पुराने साले what you call पुराने primitive animals, so जो कुछ भी animals long ago survive किया, dinosaurs या archaeopteryx, different types of animals that are present in the olden days, primitive days, while the sedimentation process, means while the floods or something, these animals they died and they stuck in between the rocks, and that rock is called as sedimentary rock. So fossils can be found in sedimentary rock. So like that there is a formation of sedimentary rock because of minerals that is run away with the water, which are cemented together along with the soil. Now let us see some common sedimentary rocks. Here there are different sedimentary rocks depending upon their formation, like igneous rocks, right? So the sedimentary rocks they include, first one sandstone. First one is the sandstone. Here sandstone, we get this sandstone, how the name itself indicating sandstone, means the sand itself it cement together, right? The sand consists of the minerals like quartz. In this what type of mineral is present? Quartz. क्वार्ट्ज एक मिनरल होता है, ए मिनरल सैंड के साथ मिलके cementing is nothing but getting an added. So there the sandstone which contain quartz, it cements with the silica and calcite. Silica and calcite. Silica and calcite, these are also minerals. These three minerals, they join together and it forms sandstone. It forms sandstone. Actually this sandstone is used to construct the building. You could able to see in the picture what is sandstone, right? And here very amazing thing is that the Red Fort and Qutub Minar. Do you know Red Fort, where it is? Very good. Red Fort and Qutub Minar. Red Fort and Qutub Minar, these two are the Indian monuments. We know very well that. So this Qutub Minar and Red Fort, they are made up of sandstones. They are made up of sandstones, and that too, why it is called Red Fort? Why? Because that sandstone is red in color, so that it is called as Red Fort. The fort that is made up of sandstone, that too red sandstone, so it is called as Red Fort. And as well as Qutub Minar in Delhi, Red Fort and Qutub Minar in Delhi, both are made up of red sandstones. Have you understood how do sandstone is get formed? Here sandstone, it contains the sand grains along with quartz, silica and calcite. Together it forms a stone called sandstone. And next, this is the one variety of sedimentary stone. And next type of sedimentary rock is that conglomerate or conglomerate. Conglomerate. So conglomerate is a type of sedimentary rock which is formed by pebbles. So the small pebbles, they cemented together and it forms a large stone or rock. This is what we call conglomerate. It is called as conglomerate. Have you understood? Means many pebbles of the minerals, they cemented together, they join together, they become hard rock called conglomerate. Have you understood? And next one is the shale. The third one is shale. Here shale is very smooth. It is very smooth sedimentary rock. How do it get formed? I am saying it is smooth. We know that what is the smooth soil? Smooth soil किसे कहा जाता है? Very good. Clay soil. Clay soil is the smooth soil. So here, when the clay soil run away along with the running water, this clay soil, it becomes cemented and it becomes harder and it forms shale. It forms shale. Have you understood? So here these shale rocks we can use for the purpose of making tiles. You can see in the picture, we prepare tiles and as well as bricks by using shale. Shale is made up of smooth soil cementing, that is called clay. And next, fourth type of rock, that is called what do you call? Limestones. Now limestones, here limestones, they are made up of what you call, whenever the earthquake or something occurs or otherwise because of some natural disasters, the dead bodies of plants and animals, they get buried into the soil, so that from the dead bodies of plants and animals we get limestone. For example, chalk is a limestone. Have you understood? So here it is made up of shells of some animals and as well as skeleton of millions of sea creatures. For example, limestone is formed by, for example, it is the ocean or sea. This is the sea floor. Now whatever the animals that died with the shell, like animals which bearing skull like snail and coral oyster. So all they are going to be settled at the bottom of the ocean floor or sea floor. Now what happens? So however, these dead body deposition, it cement together along with the soil and it forms the limestone, and these limestones are used for constructing buildings, right? Some Indian monuments, they are made up of limestone, and as well as what you call the cement that we are getting, it is prepared by limestone. So cements, bricks, and as well as other buildings are constructed by limestone. So these are about sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, it also forms the fossil. It also forms fossil. So what is fossil? Fossil is the dead body that struck in between the soil layers, which is belongs to long ago, and that is what we call fossil. By observing these fossil, the scientist can able to guess the environment, how the animals are they lived in the ancient era. For example, we come to know about the dinosaurs because of fossils, right? So fossils can be available in the form of sedimentary rock. So this is about sedimentary rock. Sandstone, which is made up of quartz, silica and calcite. Next, conglomerate, which is made up of pebbles, and next shale, which is made up of clay, and limestone, which is made up of dead bodies of the plants and animals, right? So these are the different types of sedimentary rocks that we use in our regular life. Thank you.